Renewable Energy Project Insurance Checklist. Renewable energy projects are expanding rapidly across the United States. Organizations continue to invest in solar farms, wind energy facilities, battery storage systems, and clean energy infrastructure. Opportunities and challenges. These projects offer exciting growth opportunities. They also introduce complex insurance and risk management challenges that can affect project success. Today's webinar, What to Expect, will review a practical renewable energy project insurance checklist. This checklist is designed to help identify key insurance considerations before construction begins. Important note, this webinar is for educational purposes only. It should not replace professional insurance, legal, engineering, or risk management advice. Let's begin, starting your renewable energy project on the right foot. 1. Identify all project parties. List all organizations, project owners, developers, EPC contractors, engineering firms. Understanding responsibilities determines who should carry specific insurance coverages and contractual obligations. 2. Review project contracts. Carefully review all project contracts. Insurance requirements often originate in EPC agreements, subcontracts, lease agreements, financing documents, utility interconnection agreements. Key contractual elements to check. Verify insurance requirements. Examine indemnification language. Review additional insured requirements. Check waiver of subrogation provisions. Confirm contractual risk transfer obligations. 3. General liability insurance. Protects against third-party bodily injury and property damage during construction and operations. Review project-specific limits. Completed operations requirements. Additional insured endorsements. 4. Builder's risk insurance. Protects materials, equipment, and property during construction. Critical for expensive equipment, solar panels, wind turbine components, transformers, switchgear, battery storage systems. Confirm coverage for limits. Transit, testing, delay-related exposures. 5. Professional liability insurance. Engineering firms, design professionals, consultants, and EPC contractors face liability from design and management services. Covers losses from design errors, engineering mistakes, or project management failures. Should align with contractual obligations and project complexity. 6. Pollution liability insurance. Even environmentally focused projects have environmental risks. Covers exposures from fuel storage, hydraulic fluids, contaminated soils, stormwater management, hazardous materials, and waste disposal. Traditional general liability often excludes these risks. 7. Workers' compensation. Covers employee injuries for elevated work, electrical hazards, confined spaces, and more. A strong safety culture and proper coverage protect both employees and employers. 8. Commercial auto insurance. Covers exposure from fleets, pickup trucks, utility vehicles, service vehicles, specialized transportation. Verify hired, owned, and non-owned auto exposure. 9. Cyber liability insurance. Modern facilities use digital monitoring systems, SCADA systems, remote access, connected operational infrastructure. Cyber events can disrupt operations and business continuity. Review coverage for both operational and IT risks. 10. Property insurance. Ensure coverage for completed facilities, solar panels, wind turbines, substations, battery storage, support structures. Property valuations should be reviewed regularly to maintain adequate limits. 11. Inland marine insurance. Needed for specialized equipment in transit or awaiting installation. Covers tools, transformers, electrical components, and large mobile equipment across multiple states. 12. Umbrella excess liability insurance. Major projects often require higher liability limits to meet contracts and financing. Review project specs for required excess liability. 13. Certificates of insurance. Verify active certificates for all contractors throughout the project. Check policy expiration dates, additional insured endorsements, waiver of subrogation, contractual compliance. 14. Supply chain risk. Key components often sourced worldwide. Delays from transportation issues, weather, or manufacturing disruptions can affect project timelines. Discuss insurance for project delays and business interruption where appropriate. 15. Beyond insurance risk management. Emphasize safety programs, contractor prequalification, quality control, contract review, project documentation, regular stakeholder communication. Insurance is most effective with strong operational risk management. 16. Ongoing insurance reviews. Review insurance throughout the project lifecycle. Design, construction, commissioning, operations, maintenance, expansion. A proactive approach identifies gaps before losses occur. Why this matters? Renewable energy is one of the fastest growing sectors globally. Projects are getting larger and more complex. Comprehensive insurance planning is becoming even more critical for success. Keys to long-term success. Invest in risk management, contract review, insurance planning, safety practices. Well-prepared organizations are in a stronger position for project success. Additional resources. Explore more on renewable energy contractor insurance, commercial insurance, and risk management at www.montrageinsurance.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this webinar helpful, subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you at our next webinar.